Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial or review of the ChatGPT plugin AskYourPDF. If you haven't seen my last video, I created a Notion database where you can find all plugins sorted by tags and you can filter it. Feel free to check the video right over here, but for now we head over to ChatGPT and activate GPT-4 and choose plugins. I already activated AskYourPDF. Now the next step you have to do is you have to go to the website askyourpdf.com/upload and upload your PDF. I got this ultimate guide to YouTube curve PDF. You just drag and drop the PDF or select it. Once the PDF is uploaded, grab this doc ID and get back to the chat with ChatGPT. Make sure the AskYourPDF plugin is enabled, and then we say something like, hey, can you summarize the PDF I just uploaded, and then paste in the doc ID, and then it's using AskYourPDF. The PDF we uploaded is titled The Ultimate Guide to Growing YouTube Subscribers. It appears to be a guide on how to increase your YouTube subscriber count and is divided into several parts. And now we got the outline of the parts, and now this will take a few seconds. Because it's a 30 sites PDF. Now we have a quick overview of the PDF. Now I ask something related to the second point, planning your content strategy. And I just ask, how should I plan my content strategy? The guide suggests the following for planning your content strategy. Use trending topics. One way to grow your channel is by using trending topics. Understand YouTube's mechanism. To grow on YouTube, you need to understand how it works. This is including making YouTube search engine work in your favor. Let's try something different. What are the best ways to promote my channel? The guide provides the following advice on promoting your YouTube channel. Create engaging thumbnails. Yeah, and that's the answer for what are the best ways to promote my channel, and then it just gives me the example of great engaging thumbnails. And remember, promoting your channel effectively involves a combination of strategies, including optimizing your video titles, description and tags, engaging with your audience, collaborating with other creators, and leveraging social media platforms to share your content. That's it for this video. This is the plugin AskYourPDF. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Also leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tutorials for ChatGPT plugins. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.